After studying nearly 500 crocodiles in Costa Rica's Palo Verde National Park, scientists found something odd. Males outnumbered females 4-1 among younger crocs. The number is even more startling because a warming climate should be skewing the ratio in the opposite direction. The mean low temperature in Palo Verde has risen 2.5 degrees in less than 20 years. Since sex in crocs is determined by nest temperature during incubation, female hatchlings should be outnumbering males by 2-1. So what's causing overmasculinization in these animals? Researchers think one potential source is fish farms surrounding the park. The tilapia raised on these farms are fed chow laced with a synthetic hormone called methyl testosterone, or MT. This steroid is used to transform female tilapia into males, which are more lucrative because they grow faster. MT found in croc blood and egg yolk samples confirms the Palo Verde crocs have been exposed to the steroid. To test if MT is altering sex ratios, researchers dabbed varying strengths of the chemical onto alligator eggs, and then incubated them at a temperature that should yield only females. They found that among the eggs with the highest dosage of MT, 60% developed into males. The experiment confirms that MT does have a masculinizing effect. Exactly how the Palo Verde crocs take up MT isn't clear, but scientists suspect that some tilapia escape the farm and get eaten by crocs, which absorb the steroid and store it in fat. Females produce eggs and pass it on to their offspring. Researchers say the MT-tainted tilapia isn't likely to be a health problem for humans because the hormone doesn't accumulate in muscle, which is the part of the fish that are cut into fillets. But evidence that MT is loose in the environment is worrying to some researchers, since it's been shown that low levels of male hormones can be detrimental to pregnant women. Few tilapia farms in the US use MT-laced food, but its use is widespread in the tropics. The hormone even turned up far from the tilapia farms surrounding Palo Verde, with a croc population in an entirely different river system more than 100 kilometers away. This suggests that contaminated crocs are migrating, or that MT could be coming downstream from city sewers. The steroid has medical uses, and bodybuilders are known to abuse it. So scientists are branching out to study other regions, and they plan to measure MT's effect on more crocs and gators. They want to nail down exactly how the steroid affects reproduction, behavior, and if the contamination is doing harm to other creatures in ecosystems.